Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to sign in to Audible on your Kindle. Quick, easy, and step-by-step. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your Kindle is connected to Wi-Fi and updated to the latest software version. Step 2. From your Kindle's home screen, tap the menu icon and go to Settings. Step 3. Select your account. Then tap Sign In if you're not already logged into your Amazon account. Use the same Amazon credentials linked to your Audible account. Step 4. Once signed in, tap Library and choose Audible to see your audiobooks. If you don't see any, sync your device by tapping Settings, Sync your Kindle. Step 5. Select any audiobook to start listening. Plug in your headphones or connect Bluetooth speakers for the best experience. That's it. You're now signed into Audible on your Kindle and ready to enjoy your favorite audiobooks anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tips.